Hi guys, this is Preeti. I'm from Prime Communication Media, the Vibrant Colors Travel and Hospitality magazine. And look, we are here today with Mr. Vishal Kamath, the Executive Director of Kamath Hotels. First of all, many
Thank you.
congratulations for this fabulous, looking forward to have a fabulous evening tonight with the launch of the Orchid Hotels in Chandigarh. So kudos to you, kudos to all your team.
We would be nothing without our team. I'm very proud of them. हमारे जो कामत खानदान मेंबर्स हैं एंड ऑल अक्रॉस एंड हमारे यहाँ अलग अलग हमारे होटलों से लोग आए हैं यहाँ to help establish this place. It's already come out very beautiful, but beauty can only be as good as the people that make it. A home and a house में वही फ़र्क होता है. A home is what you make of it, a house is just what you buy. And
Yeah.
unless and until we don't make this our home in Chandigarh, it will not be justice to the kind of beautiful place that Chandigarh is.
So, raising a toast to the beautiful place and to the beautiful moment, and we are really glad to have here. And thank you to you and to your team for inviting us as well.
No, our pleasure.
Ji, taking a legacy forward, Kamath Hotels now, Orchid Group of Hotels. I'm sure that इतनी बड़ी legacy को आगे ले जाना काफ़ी challenging रहा होगा. और एक सेटिस्फैक्शन भी आया होगा. सो विद दिस काइंड ऑफ अ प्रॉपर्टी क्या चैलेंजेस थे और क्या एक प्रोज एंड कॉन्स जिसको आप कहते हैं वो आपको इस जर्नी में देखना पड़ा?
पर्टिकुलरली अगर इस प्रोजेक्ट की बात करें तो ये पहले होटल डिज़ाइन नहीं था. तो होटल को बहुत सारी चीज़ें लगती है जो आपको इनिशियल प्लानिंग में करनी लगती है. एंड लकीली फॉर अस आवर ओनर्स आर एक्सेलेंट इन वेरी ओपन माइंडेड टू बी एबल टू एक्सेप्ट एंड अंडरस्टैंड. इफ़ यू हैव दैट एटीट्यूड कि मैं सब जानता हूँ तो वो होने वाला है नहीं. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दीज पीपल बीइंग ओपन माइंडेड एंड बीइंग विलिंग टू एडजस्ट अकॉर्डिंगली दे वर एबल टू take our inputs, the architect, the owners, our engineering team, and we were able to convert this property into a beautiful hotel, which would have been otherwise very difficult. बहुत सारे लोग जो hotels बनाते नहीं हैं मगर फिर चाहते हैं कि उनकी वो asset बन जाए. So this is an excellent example of that कि how we were able to transform or make this property a fantastic Orchid Hotel.
Yeah, coming from Maharashtra and now venturing in North India, I'm sure that this is going to be a little bit challenging and different genre as well, because Maharashtra, the culture, the community is different than the North India. North India is more about show off. So how you're coping with this?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. It's not like that. It's not about show. It's about every person is aspiring. India is an aspiring nation. And whether it is Maharashtra, whether we are basically not only in Maharashtra, we are in Goa, we have in Uttarakhand, we have already been in Shimla and Manali. Our Orchid Hotel in Shimla, Orchid Hotel Manali have been doing very well. This actually will add further to that, because now the point where you enter into to go to Shimla, Manali being Chandigarh, this will only add to that. There are other properties coming around which I'll let you know, and you will be our guest there also along with your viewers. But basically the main thing is that it's not about show. It's about putting your best foot forward. And I think that's also what Chandigarh allows us to do. In Goa, we have the Orchid Hotel, which is a very different kind of very resort. In Maharashtra, we have Fort Heritage hotels like Fort Jadavgarh. We have business hotels like Orchid Hotel, which is a 372-room hotel in Mumbai. Then we have our Era brand, which is also a 200-room hotel in Mumbai. Again, that's a business hotel. But then you have in Pune, that's a 410-room hotel, which we're expanding. But again, each one has उसकी खुद की एक तासीर होती है. हर location की और हर property, and one size fit all नहीं है. Every place has to be curated. We don't, as Kamath Group, we don't believe in a cookie cut model. Only thing that we believe in replicating is our ethos. आप डोर से लेके आप आने से जाने तक हर एक आपको नमस्कार विश करेगा, हर एक आपको. सो ये जो कल्चर है, वी वॉन्ट आर कल्चर एंड आर इथॉस अक्रॉस इंडिया सेम है. कोई तमिल बात करे तो और कोई पंजाबी, मगर हमारी जो इथॉस है, हमारी जो भारतीय इथॉस है वो तो सेम है.
वो सेम है.
तो हम उसी के ऊपर हम जोर देते हैं. जैसे सिंपल है, आपके घर पे कोई आए, आप कोई भी कम्युनिटी के हो, कोई भी स्टेट के हो, पहले आप उनको पानी देते हैं. ये एक अपनी एक कल्चर है, ये एक अपनी एक इट्स पार्ट ऑफ आवर इथॉस कि गर्मी है जो भी हो, पहले कोई आए घर पे पहले आप पानी देते हो, फिर उसके बाद चाय हो या कोई और, मगर पहला तो आप, सो दीज आर द थिंग्स वी फोकस ऑन, नॉट नेसेसरी कि वही ग्लास होगा वही होगा, क्योंकि हर जगह अलग है। अभी जो हमारे रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं नॉर्थ में जैसे शिमला में आर टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ महाबलेश्वर वेयर वी आर दिसिंग, सो it's not about that all being one. So I think that's the beauty also, that every place you go you experience and enjoy very differently.
So how you are coping up with so much of diversity, from Shimla to Manali to Chandigarh, then to Mumbai, different culture, different people. I mean, do you really think that this is going well, and the clients who are coming at your place, are they really satisfied?
See, I don't know whether they are really satisfied or not. But if I have to be very unemotional and tell you, 32% of our business is repeat business.
Wonderful.
Now that you can be emotional about and say that's a very high number, which I do agree that we are very emotional about our repeat customers, because that is what makes it. 32% of our business is repeat. Now how do we know this? Because we have an Orchid Reward program which has more than 8 lakh members, and they come and it's based on the mobile number. So each time members come, or each time a person comes who's a member, he puts his number. So imagine, this is just 32% of people who are our members. There are so many who come, and जैसे मैं भी कभी कभी मेरी वाइफ डांटती है मुझे, आई एम ऑल्सो प्रोग्राम मेंबर ऑफ वेरियस प्रोग्राम्स, और मैं नंबर नहीं डालता तो उतने पॉइंट्स नुकसान होते हैं, उतने ये हो जाते हैं, फिर मेरी वाइफ बोले अरे तुमने ये नहीं किया। सो आप भी कहीं कहीं जाते हो तो समटाइम्स यू रिपीट अ प्लेस बट यू हैव नॉट रजिस्टर्ड योरसेल्फ एज अ रिपीट, बी इट एयरलाइंस हो, पॉइंट्स नहीं मिले, या कहीं शॉपिंग हो। So imagine 32% is registered. That means how many people are actually returning? How many have not been captured because either they've not given the number or something like that. So I think that itself shows the testimony that how brand loyal our members are, how brand loyal our guests are, and how we are all loyal to them.
Loyal to you, yeah, absolutely. Coming to this point only, are we actually introducing any membership card to the people who are residing here particularly for this property?
Definitely, we don't have only for one property. We have a global program where once you're a member of the Orchid Reward program, you get membership benefits across India. Because most of our guests are mobile. आप मुंबई से, आप चंडीगढ़ से मुंबई जाओगे, आप चंडीगढ़ से कहीं और जाओगे, कुछ नहीं तो फैमिली को छुट्टी के लिए आप शिमला मनाली या जादवगढ़ या गोवा या कहीं भी जाओगे। वी आर ओपनिंग इन नाउ ऋषिकेश ऑन द 6th ऑफ दिस मंथ, 6th ऑफ, नॉट दिस मंथ, सॉरी 6th ऑफ जुलाई। सो 6th ऑफ जुलाई को हम ऋषिकेश में खोल रहे हैं, देहरादून में खोल रहे हैं। दिल्ली के लोग, बम्बई के लोग, चेन्नई के लोग, चंडीगढ़ के लोग अलग अलग मूवमेंट करते रहते हैं। सो वेरेवर वी आर, those members can use their benefit wherever they want. So that's how it is, and there's a host of benefits. So right from a simple thing like discounts to being pampered extra, and a lot of our guests, in fact I'll tell you there's one, I'll give a small example of the kind of passion that our guests have for us, and we are very grateful to God for that. There is a couple who celebrated the 75th birthday in Orchid Mumbai, and he gave 7.5 lakh rupees on his birthday, 7.5 lakh rupees to the staff as a gift. Because he's been coming from the last 30 years.
Wonderful.
And he's like, मेरा 75th birthday है, and then it got covered in the news, and it was because I mean who gives that? And I thought उनको कुछ भेंट देनी है तो स्टाफ को हमने इकट्ठे किया, हम 31 जन ने केक वेक भी रखा था, and suddenly he's like I want to give this, and पहले मेरे को लगा 75,000, फिर देखा नहीं विशाल, एक मिनट ये तो अरे बाप रे, and I was extremely touched. I was extremely, and apart from that, एक मिनट, apart from that, हर स्टाफ को एक छोटा गिफ्ट।
क्या बात है,
अरे आई एम नॉट किडिंग, मतलब कितना, मतलब सो इमेजिन कि आई थिंक उससे जो ज्यादा, अरे आई एम गेटिंग लिटिल सेंटी नाउ आल्सो अबाउट इट, बिकॉज यू कैन इमेजिन द काइंड ऑफ love and affection that how many of our Kamath Khandan members have, उनके मतलब, because it's not a one man show, right? Hospitality is never a one man show, never, it can never be. The doorman से लेके the chairman, everyone is important to give you that holistic experience. And इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा जो हमारे industrial trainees आते हैं, हमारे जो केटरिंग कॉलेज के बच्चे लोग आते हैं, they come for a internship. They are there with you for 4 months, 6 months. उनमें भी आपकी संस्कार कि what is it that your culture of your organization you want to inject in them, because कस्टमर डजंट केयर कि आप एम्प्लॉय हो या आप इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनी, वो बोलेगा मेरे को सर्विस अच्छी नहीं मिली।
Exactly.
बट जब हर एक अपने अपने यहाँ से वो बूंद बूंद बनता सागर करके एक प्यार का सागर बनाता है, आई थिंक दैट कपल राव साहब जो हैं हमारे, एंड दे हैव बीन टू मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कामत, सो इट्स नॉट ओनली दैट एक ही जगह जाके वहीं खुश हैं, they have gone to Lonavala, they have gone to Pune Orchid, they have gone to Jadavgarh, they have gone to Shimla, they have now Chandigarh is opened, they want to come to Chandigarh, so they have gone to so many of our places, so many of our places, but they go more than me, by the way.
See, I mean, after talking to you, it seems that you are very much emotionally connected, just like a baby of your baby, with this kind of a property, which I feel it's a kind of the added advantage for all the guests who are actually arriving, because you are personally giving attention and detailing to them. So coming to this point, how much personal attention is important in the hospitality industry?
If you cannot give personal attention, please don't enter this industry. You cannot outsource your love. Okay, same way you have to you cannot outsource your upbringing to children. Okay, to somebody else. You have to pay attention as a parent. Okay, and yes, the teacher is important to teach. Somebody who's there with them, a caretaker or an ayah or what, is important to take care of them, not bring them up. So you've got to be able to be there, and if you cannot be there, then don't do it. Because hospitality is a 24/7, including in my family also. Many of my cousins, many of my other relations who were earlier part of Kamath as a family, see, we are a family of over 90 years in the industry. 90 साल हो गए, and I am fourth generation. I am one of the rare in my family who have continued, because in my family also, touch wood, God has been very kind, everyone has been doing very well. But earlier in my father's time or probably before, उनको choice नहीं था, यही है तो family business में घुस जाओ. आज my cousins are lucky, they can follow their passion. कोई finance में है, कोई education में है, कोई और कुछ में है, तो उनको उनका पैशन फॉलो करने की आज उनको संधि मिलती है तो वो कर रहे हैं. ऐसा कंपलसरी नहीं है कि आपको यही बिजनेस में करना है, आपकी पैशन क्या है. एंड इफ़ यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट इट, इफ़ यू हैव दैट ड्राइव, इफ़ यू हैव दैट फील, then you can automatically exceed and excel.
Yeah, I had a word with Dr. Kamath last evening, and he said that very valid point. If you are taking your hobby as the career, then definitely you're going to succeed.
100%, 100%. So and आप जो भी काम करो, see, I'll give you an example. In the last year, I was chairman of CII Maharashtra. CII is basically the Confederation of Indian Industries. It is India's premier and largest body of all industries, and you name it, right from mega giants to MSMEs, all are our members across India. It is the premier body for the government of India also for policy advocacy. So right from PMO office down to CMO office down to even a panchayat level, we work with various levels depending on our zones. So Maharashtra is one of the top, rather it is the top state, and I was the chairman of Maharashtra. And during that time, I am very proud that my father said, Vishal, now that you are chairman for this 1 year, तुमको अभी पूरा उसमें ये करना है, पदवी लो तो पदवी का उसका उपयोग, उसका सम्मान और उसको आगे लेके जाना है.
True.
So I'm very proud that I didn't do it. It's all thanks to, again, I give full credit to my colleagues of CII from my different zone, where because of the kind of energy, bohemy and single-minded focus, we had the maximum number of memberships increase ever in the state of Maharashtra. And that's what I would say is a testimony to my legacy, that नहीं, अगर आपने बीड़ा उठाया है तो उसमें जी जान करके आप करो, and then you will automatically find happiness and success.
So now coming to the future plans, 5 years down the line, where are we seeing the Kamath group of hotels and the Orchid?
So we will continue to grow. We are not in a hurry. I would not want to throw figures and say हम 50, 100, 200, 500. ये बोलने के लिए ठीक है. इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि आपको कितना सेटिस्फैक्शन, कितना संतोष मिलता है. इफ़ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी, डोंट डू इट. सो आई एम नॉट इन द नंबर्स गेम. आई वॉन्ट दैट हर होटल में आप एंट्री मारें तो आपको फीलिंग होनी चाहिए कि नहीं यार, मैं हैव डन जस्टिस. कस्टमर भी जो हमारे आए, दे शुड फील वाओ. I would just say that the future of Kamath Group, more than from the numerical side, is from the emotional side, that we have more Mr. Raos, who are more emotionally attached, more loyal. We are also breeding a next generation of our like Kamat Khandan team members who have grown from like some of our from waiter today they have become various managers running certain hotels. So there was one guy who joined as a supervisor. Today he is a general manager of our smaller hotel. Then once he gets his hands set on a smaller hotel, he'll go to a larger hotel, then a larger hotel. So I want that Kamat group to be able to add value to society directly and indirectly. हमारे साथ जो भी जुड़े हमारी तो बरकत होगी ही उनकी भी बरकत होनी. So that is basically what is my long-term vision, that as we are growing and whatever may be our speed, with that much if not more. So I'll give a small example. We started a brand about a couple of years back, 1st July actually, 2 years back. 1st July we started 2 years back a brand called as IRA. So what is IRA? IRA is basically IRA. IRA is the short form for Iravati. Okay. IRA is also the second name of Saraswati. Okay, and IRA also as part of Orchid Hotels and Kamat Group, we believe in earth, we believe in environment. So IRA is also another name for Prithvi. So
Mother
Earth. So Prithvi, हमारे जो ethos है of environment. So वहाँ Prithvi, IRA, and दूसरा, just as Orchid is known for doing environmental conscious activities across, even आज 3rd में है, आज Leopard Day है, तो हम लोग भी celebrate कर रहे हैं, awareness create कर रहे हैं. So we do Turtle Day, we do for turtles. So हमारे जो कोणार्क में हमारे लोटस कोणार्क में ऑलिव रिडली टर्टल्स की ये होती है. हमारे मुरुड जो दापोली महाराष्ट्र के साइड पे है, वहाँ भी ऑलिव रिडली टर्टल आते हैं. तो हम टर्टल कंजर्वेशन में बहुत काम करते हैं, बीच के ऊपर काम करते हैं, क्लीन अप करते हैं, हम फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन करते हैं.
So are these your CSR activities?
These are not, you can call them today CSR because they have to put in some bracket, but they are our passion. कि पर्यावरण के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं. अभी कॉर्पोरेट लिंगो में वो बोल दूंगा CSR, बट उसको मैं CSR बोल के थोड़ा कम नहीं करूंगा, because it's not a forced activity. It is an activity which is done by us even before it became a norm. See, Orchid Hotel is 28 years old now. And from 28 years we are doing this. Before it became cool to clean the beach, Dr. Kamath and all in 1997 used to do beach cleanup. जब हमारे यहाँ महाराष्ट्र में particularly गणपति जी का विसर्जन समुद्र में करते तो बहुत गंदा हो जाता है. तो वो निर्मालय कलेक्ट करके उसको डीकम्पोस्ट करके उसका खत बनाना, और वो खत इको फ्रेंडली खत बनता है. वो मूर्ति जो है उसको रिसाइकल करवाना. We work with the BMC.
So this is going since ages.
From ages. But it's only now that government has made a rule and called it corporate social responsibility. Why do we need corporate social responsibility if we are going to be just generally responsible? You don't need a class in civics to not throw kachra on the road. So coming back to what I was saying, is basically IRA. So IRA, we did 1% of our income from IRA goes to orphan girl child welfare and education.
Wonderful.
And we don't even give it to like big organizations. We give it to a lot of grassroots small organizations in Orissa, in Orissa, in Mumbai, in wherever there's an IRA hotel in that city or town. So Nashik
that's how you are giving back to the society now.
So we don't give to a big agency, not because they don't do a good job, but we thought everybody supports big people. Why don't we support the more grassroots, the more grounded, and give them an opportunity to become big?
So last but not the least, you being the successful entrepreneur, what are the tips and tricks you would like to give to all the promising entrepreneurs, especially in the hospitality industry?
I don't think I'm that successful yet. I have a long way to go in terms of what I would define for success for myself. But I would say yes, that I'm working towards a goal, working towards a vision. And I can just say is that if you want to be successful, follow your passion, which also Dr. Kamath said. I think you cannot stress more that if you don't feel like getting out of bed, you're in doing something wrong. So the first thing is that you should have that boundless energy, which you will get only when you are doing something which you like. After you like something, work on it diligently to make that liking into something which becomes, one lady once asked one of the world's greatest pianists, I forget his name, and she said that, sir, aap kya bajate ho? You play so well. I would give my life to play like that. So that guy turns around to her and says, yes, I have given my life. Because that is it. If you don't give your life, practice day in, day out, even if you are gifted, even if you are a Sachin Tendulkar, your talent will be a waste if you don't practice. So he is only Sachin Tendulkar because he has practiced. Virat Kohli is what he is because he is practicing. If you don't keep practicing what God has given you, that is the biggest disservice you are doing to God and yourself. So one, follow your passion. Practice, 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 and then enjoy what you're doing. Money will come, money will go, money will follow. But इफ़ यू आर हैविंग हुनर, तो आपको फिर ऑटोमेटिक आपकी सरस्वती स्ट्रांग हो तो लक्ष्मी तो आएगी आएगी।
Right. Thank you so much and
Yes,
wish
thank
you
you.
all the very
Thank
best
you.
for the
Thank you.
fabulous launch.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. In fact, मैं इसको ऑफ करती हूँ.